Good morning, this is David again. I'm going to do a video this morning on spam and eggs, putting a little twist on it I saw on YouTube a couple of years back. So basically I've already put my hot oil down, my olive oil down. I got the griddle set on 355. I'm going to take my spam. I've cut out the middle of it. And I'm going to fry it up a minute or two. Get it good and hot. I haven't had spam since I was a kid, and I wasn't a real big fan of it back then, but I saw this on YouTube, I don't know, a couple of months back, so I thought I'd give it a try and see what it tasted like again, see if it tasted like I remembered it anyhow. And I've never had it with eggs, so that's going to be something new for me, so look at this. While I'm doing that, I took a couple of other pieces that I cut out the middle, and I put some rub on it. Everything's buttered with rub on it. I used my Cosmo's Dirty Bird and put that on it, give it a little bit more flavor. See what I like best. This shouldn't take long to come up. I remember when I was a kid, I had 3 brothers, and my mother would cook this about once a month. Not that often. I just didn't acquire a taste for it back then, so your taste buds change over the years, so I find out whether or not I like it now. Like I said, I've never had it with the eggs, so this is going to be something different. Get them turned over. I don't have one of those fancy egg holders that everybody's buying. So I thought, well, you know what? We can do this. I'll cook it right inside the spam. That's my fancy egg holder. Clear this up a little bit so we can get that out of the way. I'll let that cook a minute or two. Start getting that egg done. I have noticed on this Blackstone, the more I've used it, I've used it a lot more things are sticking to it, even with oil down. You see that egg right there? That egg right there, it's stuck. Even with oil down, it's starting to lose some of its finish. See if I can flip this egg. Nope, not ready yet. I thought it was. It's getting close. I don't want to cook my egg too long. I don't like a hard fried egg. I like a kind of soft fried. Let me see what it'll do now. Let's see if I can flip this thing without big falling out. There we go. Get it flipped over. These smaller pieces look pretty good with that rub on it. Looks like my yolk's coming through on that egg there a little bit. May have pulled it just a hair too soon, I don't know. Like I said, this is my first time cooking spam and eggs together. It's going to be my first time eating spam and eggs together. I'm not even sure how long you cook spam, so I'm kind of going as we go here, see how it tastes. Alright, I'm going to pull it up and see what I got. I don't want that egg hard. Get out some of the fall inside of it. Okay. There's my spam and eggs, and I'm going to give this a taste and see what I think. It tastes like I remember it. Let me get some egg with it and see what it tastes like now. That's pretty good. I believe I like it a lot better with egg. Taste some of this I put the rub on. That's really good. That's got a sweetness to it. It's real good. I believe there's some brown sugar in that rub, so I think that's where that came from. That's hitting it right on with the spam. So this was a short video. If you don't mind, hit the like button for me, and I'm going to put this on my Facebook page and put it on YouTube. Thank you.